Everyone, in this video I am sharing with you four reasons 1 2 3 4 why Picoin has lost much value and how to recover. Hello everyone, the recent decline in Picoin's price is approximately 80 cents or $0.8 has raised concerns among the community of pioneers. To understand this downturn, it's essential to examine the contributing factors and consider potential recovery scenarios. Number one, factors contributing to Picoin's price decline. Number one is the token unlock event. The unlocking of the token has made Pi to go down. So many tokens have come into circulation. So because of that, many people are selling. So the price is going under the table. So the release of previously locked tokens into circulation has increased supply, exerting downward pressure on the price. Number two reason is because of market uncertainty. Delays in the Pi network's mainnet launch and unclear development timelines have led to investor skepticism affecting market confidence. Another one reason why the price of Pi is going down or is on a decline is because of speculative trading. Initial speculative interest drove prices up, but as early traders exited their positions, a significant price correction occurred and is still occurring. Then number four reason why the price of Pi is going down is because of overall crypto market trends. Picoin's price movements are also influenced by broader cryptocurrency market dynamics, which have experienced volatility. Now, what are the prospects for the recovery of Pi? Analysts have mixed views on Picoin's potential rebound. There's a school of thought or some analysts that believe that in the short-term outlook, some experts suggest that if Picoin reclaims the $1 level, it could trigger an upward move toward $1.2 and then up it goes. Then there's also the long-term potential. Achieving widespread adoption and real-world utility could position Picoin for substantial growth in the coming years. Picoin's recent price decline is attributed to factors such as token unlocks, market uncertainty, speculative trading, and broader crypto market trends. While short-term recovery may depend on overcoming current resistance levels and restoring investor confidence, long-term prospects hinge on the Pi network's successful development and adoption. So what do you think about the recovery of Pi? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to see you in the next video. I've made many videos about cryptocurrency, about forex, about how to make money online, how to make money offline. Go ahead and check on my channel for different kind of videos and different kind of businesses you can go into both online and offline. I'm going to talk to you in the next one, and I want you to subscribe, share the link on this video, and like this video. This video popping up by the side from my channel is the next. You should go ahead